thing made a loud pop again. It did. Alrighty, it is it's a beautiful sunny day, but yesterday was not. Yesterday was snowy and cold, so we're headed out to the Ponderosa. We're gonna go out and see if we can pull a car out of the mud. They gave me a crazy address, so I'm not exactly sure where this one's at. Gonna have to plug her into the old Onx and see if it'll take us right to where they're at. They sent me a pin, so should be able to go find them. We're ripping the old Tacoma today, Landon and I. We're gonna take this thing, go see if we can get her done. We got the frame welded back together in it, so
hopefully nothing else breaks.
It should be good to go. Here we go. All right, we are about to the dirt road, so we're gonna pull up here. I'm gonna get my phone back out, check Onx. I imagine they're stuck where everybody gets stuck out here, but they called it a different name this time. It makes me wonder if they're somewhere else, but they're going to the overlook, so it's got to be the same place. But I'm going to check Onx and make sure we don't make a wrong turn real quick. Be sure and use code fabrats/20 if you guys want to save yourself 20%. It gets us where we're going, and we don't have to waste time looking for people. Yeah, it looks like they're going to be on that overlook road. We'll go see. The last time I was out here, Landon had to come and save me. I got the free truck. We broke it. Landon had to come and get us. It's not exactly how this was supposed to go. We done broke something in the free truck. Look at that guy. Glad you found me.
Yeah.
Holy cow, we're stuck. I think we found where they were stuck. They're not stuck there still.
It is rough.
We're gonna be muddy. I didn't want to have to wash this off, but we're gonna have to. I think someone already pulled them out and we missed them. Oh no, they're here. All right, we'll let you out. We'll get these guys.
Well, I greatly appreciate.
Yeah, we saved you some walking.
Yeah.
Hello. Hey, you guys found some mud.
A little bit.
I'm pretty impressed you made it.
It was all frozen.
Frozen on the way in.
Yeah, then we got screwed on the way out.
All right, well, we'll get you out of here. No big deal.
I'm Cody. Thank you
I'm
so
Paul.
much, brother.
Yep, no problem.
That's Kelly.
Hello. The only problem is hooking onto these things.
Yeah.
They're terrible. Rental car?
Yeah.
Perfect. You don't want it to be your car on the way out of here. All right. Back it right up into there. I'll move. That way I'll have to lay in the mud. I seen where you were stuck.
Yeah.
I was like, man, Lance, someone already got these guys.
We tried our best.
Will you turn the steering wheel all the way that way? Perfect.
Yeah, because we came from Phoenix and we didn't know where we were going to end up. So.
Oh yeah.
Because we skipped your flight to just, hey, keep our road trip going. So.
Well, now you've got an adventure.
Oh yeah. Full loaded, yep.
Well, this one won't stall you too long.
I don't know, after that hill, it didn't look too bad. I walked up quite a far.
It's still a little muddy on the way out, but it'll go.
We checked the weather before we came out here. I was like, yeah, it's supposed to be frozen all day. We got out here, it's like, it's not frozen.
Good old southern Utah.
I was like, oh no.
You don't like the weather, you just wait 15 minutes and it changes.
We're from Tennessee originally.
Okay.
So that's kind of how it is there. But
Yep. All right, well, we got that. I'm gonna have Landon drive. That way, if we mess your car up. Yep, yeah, you can set it back. Yep, for sure. We're gonna go nice and slow. All right, Landon, you keep that camera with you.
Okay.
And I'll pull you out of here.
Appreciate you guys.
Yep. And then you'll get to go back on YouTube and check this out once in a while.
Okay, we went ahead and just already subscribed.
That's
because I'm
right.
like, at this point,
Perfect.
I was like, just thankful. Once he gets out, can I jump in the back seat, I guess?
Yep, I'll pull you up here just a little bit.
Okay.
Alrighty, I'm gonna tug Land out of here. Got my phone out because we didn't bring enough cameras with us. I got Land in the car behind me, he's driving. So we're gonna let them get in and then we'll ease on out of here. So shouldn't be too big of a deal. Should have brought the headsets. That would have made life better. Here we go. Go ahead and lock the rear locker in. We'll just ease on. Riding the ruts behind me, so we'll tug him out of here. Have to bump it. We're doing it. We're getting some traction now. Just trying to go as easy as I can. I got a little baby in the back of that car and I don't want to bump the heck out of them, so I'm just easing in 4 low second gear, just trying to let her eat and let her pull, and they're doing it. The old Firestones dug us through there. These ruts are terrible. We need to be out of them. Not gonna get out of them. We got out of them. Did Land get out of them? He's out of them. Perfect. All right. I think we're gonna unhook them right here. And there's another car that's stuck behind us. We'll go get that one too.
Definitely getting broken in.
All right. We'll get out of your way and you should be good. If not, we'll catch up to you on the way out. So
Thank you very much.
I got mud everywhere.
I'm good. I don't care.
We're good.
Sure.
You can just watch it on YouTube.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it, brother.
Thank you so much.
I guess let's go pull out a GMC.
Yep, we'll get out of these guys' way. Oh, dang, I got mud all over me. We're gonna back to the back, so I have to turn around.
Okay.
So we're just gonna pull out here. This thing made a loud pop again. It did. I don't know what that noise was. I don't know if it was a good or bad one, but it made a funny noise, and I was like, log? All right. There we go. It's muddy.
Yeah, it is.
Is there another car down in that mirror's messed up? If you'll fix that for me.
Yeah. It was just that GMC right behind us.
Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, they made it there. What the crap? We plowed that bottom.
Yeah, we did.
Stop and see what they're doing here. you make it?
We have 4-wheel drive, but it's just not happening.
Okay, well, back out. We'll hook on. We'll get you out of here.
We're Europeans, so we've never done this kind of thing.
Well, you're getting the whole experience.
She's so stressed.
Landon can drive that for you.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I've got
Land,
that.
go hop in that car. Back it out there.
It's like close to tears.
Haha, I know that feeling. We'll get you out of here and you'll be good to go again.
Thank you. I was terrified someone would come ahead of us.
No, you're good.
Okay.
It was nice enough.
How was the hike?
It's awesome.
There you go. You got that in, so that's all that matters.
Beautiful.
Yep. They should have got some speed on that. Go. Keep going back. Keep going back. There you go.
You gotta save this, you know that, right?
We do a lot of this. Yep. All right, turn her hard this way. I can get in there.
It's a rental, so you know.
Exactly, they're used to this kind of stuff. All right, car number 2 is hooked on. All right, Land, you didn't know you were getting a 2 for today, did you?
Nope.
Probably 3, because there's another car down there, right? Look at that. You're taller than you were when you came.
Yeah.
Were those people at their car yet? Did you see them?
Oh, they were still hiking.
Well, they'll have a surprise for them when they get back. So, all right, let's go for it. Front locker in, rear locker is leaking currently, so. I just killed it. Here we go. This is the hard part of the climb. That car's not nearly as four-wheel drive. It's helping a little more than the other one did. The other one didn't help much. Whip. Roll over the top here. Got it. All right, that one wasn't bad. This one's four-wheel drive, so it helped a whole bunch more than that other car did. Yeah.
Yeah, the rich.
Yep.
I couldn't get that.
No, it's slick.
Oh well, thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome. You guys have a good vacation. We'll get out of your way and you can go in front of us. Toyota's dirty. I know what you're doing when we get home. I'm washing the Toyota. So that wasn't too terrible. We'll get on out of here. We'll let these guys go by us right here. She is not slowing down. She is going for it.
She wants out.
Yeah. Okay, we made her back. Stopped and snagged us a sandwich on the way. The old truck's a little dirty. She did good. The Toyota's back, so we've got big plans for this truck. We're gonna give it a little more horsepower, I think. Still gonna get a new frame when I find one of these days. I found a couple, but they haven't been black like I like them to be. I'm going through all the effort to put a frame in it. I want it to be like pristine condition when I put it in. So that's all we got for today. So thanks for watching.